Our character is much more than just what we try to display for others to see. It is who we are even when no one is watching. Good character is doing the right thing because it is right to do what is right. The dictionary definition said character is a complex of mental and ethical traits. That those traits or qualities are distinctive to an individual and that they are built into an individual's life. It is those character qualities, those character traits that determine a person's response in any given situation. For example, a person with a strong character quality of truthfulness is much more likely to accurately report the facts in a given situation than a person who tends to be characterized by deceptiveness. Someone who has the character trait of alertness will be more likely to be a better, safer driver than a person who does not see or recognize the potential dangers around him. Carelessness. A person with the character quality of tolerance will be more accepting of others, less prejudiced. Success or failure in any situation or endeavor depends, more than anything else, on how we respond to events and circumstances. It follows that it is our character that determines our success. Of course, that doesn't mean that good people will always experience more success than bad people. There are, however, some character traits that tend to lead to success, and others that tend to produce failure. The question is, what are the good character qualities and what are bad qualities?